Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about getting into sewing or maybe upgrading from that super old machine in your closet, today's video is going to help a lot. I'm counting down the 7 best sewing machines for beginners, starting from number 7 all the way to the top spot. These machines are reliable, easy to learn on, and perfect for everything from basic repairs to small creative projects. No matter your budget or skill level, stay to the end because number 1 is wild. It has features you normally see in way more expensive machines. Let's get started. Number 7. Brother XM3700. Kicking things off with number 7, the Brother XM3700. This is a great option if you want something simple, lightweight, and not intimidating. It comes with 37 built-in stitches, a one-step buttonhole, and an automatic needle threader, which saves so much time and eye strain. The drop-in bobbin is clear so you can actually see how much thread you have left, which helps avoid those "why is this not stitching" moments. I really like the free arm. Too perfect for sleeves, cuffs, and hemming pants. It even comes with multiple sewing feet, spare needles, bobbins, and more, so you don't need to buy tons of extras on day one. Reviews from beginners say it's smooth, quiet, and just works, even for everyday stuff like fixing pants or basic crafting. For a starter machine, this is a really solid pick. Number 6. Singer M1500. At number 6, we've got the Singer M1500, and this one is all about simplicity. If you're nervous about learning to sew, this machine takes away a lot of that pressure. It has a series of preset stitch settings that are already adjusted for tension and length, so you don't have to constantly tweak things. It's basically plug in, thread, and sew. There are multiple built-in stitches for everyday tasks, plus a 4-step buttonhole, and it's small enough for tight spaces like dorm rooms or shared work tables. It doesn't have as many features as the other machines on this list, but if you want no fuss, this is a great starting point. Number 5. Brother XM2701. Number 5 is the Brother XM2701, and it's honestly one of the most recommended beginner models out there. You get 27 stitches, a one-step buttonhole, and that super helpful automatic needle threader. This machine feels like a sweet spot between a basic model and something you can actually grow with. It's great for mending clothes, home decor projects, pillowcases, little sewing businesses on Etsy, that sort of thing. It also comes with several feet, including a zipper foot and button sewing foot. If you're buying your first machine ever and want a friendly learning curve, this one hits the mark. Number 4. Brother CS5055. At number 4, I had to include the Brother CS5055. This is where we start getting into what I'd call beginner plus territory. So, if you're the type of person who picks up hobbies fast, or you don't want to outgrow your machine in a few months, this might be the one. It has 60 built-in stitches, a stronger frame, and better handling for thicker fabrics like denim. The stitch selection is clearly displayed and easy to navigate, and it's surprisingly affordable for what you get. The free arm is great for clothes, and the whole machine feels smooth while sewing, definitely an upgrade from super basic models. Number 3. Brother CS7000X. Number 3 goes to the Brother CS7000X, and this machine definitely earns its spot. You get 70 stitches, an automatic needle threader, a strong metal frame, and it feels stable when sewing at higher speeds. What stands out is how helpful this machine feels. The layout makes sense, the buttons are labeled in a beginner-friendly way, and it even includes a wide table that gives you extra space to work on things like quilts or bigger pieces of fabric. If you're planning to learn and improve long-term, this machine is a smart investment. Number 2. Brother HC1850. All right, we are almost at our top pick. Number 2 is the Brother HC1850, and this is for anyone who wants something that can handle simple sewing and more creative projects. It has 185 stitches, including letters for monogramming, which is awesome if you like personalizing things like bags or gifts. You also get a detachable wide table, quilting features, and a really intuitive digital display that makes selecting stitches feel effortless. A lot of people start with this one and don't feel the need to upgrade for years. It's versatile, powerful for the price, and super well-rounded. Number 1. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. And finally, number 1, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. If you want a machine that can grow with you for a long time, this is the one. It's basically a creative workstation in machine form. It has 600 stitches, including decorative options for borders and details, a ton of buttonhole styles, and even automatic cutting, so it snips the thread for you. The extension table is amazing for fabric control, and the variety of feet it comes with means you can jump into quilting, garment making, or crafting without needing to buy a ton of upgrades. This is the kind of machine that makes sewing feel professional. If you're serious about getting into sewing, or you want a machine that will last through years of projects, the 9960 earns that number 1 spot. And that's the full list. There's something here for every type of beginner, whether you want something super basic or something you can grow with. If you found this helpful, hit like and let me know in the comments what machine you're leaning toward. And if you have questions, drop them below. I'll help however I can. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!